How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. First of all, before we start, I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to this channel, everybody who's liked the videos and shared them across their social media platforms. I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. I want to say thank you for sticking with me all this while. I know I've not been putting out videos as often as I should. A few things have been happening lately. Like I said earlier on in some previous videos, I said some big things are coming and they're coming very fast. So I'm using this time to, fine-tune the whole process. And I think I'm moving into a bigger space. Usually I use my home office for these videos, but I think considering what's coming and what's about to happen, I think it'll make more sense to move this whole process into a bigger space. Okay, so for that reason, I've not been putting out videos as often as I should be. I apologize for that, but big things are coming. Stick to this channel. Today's subject takes us to the home of Soundpeats, and we are going to be reviewing the Soundpeats H1 Hybrid True Wireless Earbuds. Let's go. This is the Soundpeats H1 Hybrid True Wireless Earbuds. We have talked about a few of Soundpeats products on this channel. This is yet another one. This is the H1 dual driver design. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. This right here is our concern. This is what we are most concerned about. It's a nice little box with Soundpeats. The charging cases are very similar in design, which is cool. Now there's USB Type-C charging port. Right next to it is an indicator light right there to indicate your charge. Now if it's on, if it's shining red and on, it is charging, but when it's done, the light goes off. We open the case. Right here, the battery indicator for the charging case indicates how much battery power we have in the charge case. Let's pop these in the case. Let's see what happens. There we go, right there. Battery indicator comes on and the earbuds pick up a charge. So this is cool. This is nice. This is nice. Nice design. The Soundpeats, the logo or the name written on it. Okay, I like the fact that the charge case is not a shiny case, so no fingerprint magnet, but has a matte feel to it, which is cool. Alright, let's look at the earbuds. Okay. Alright, nothing out of the ordinary. We do see a lot of earbuds coming in this shape these days, the shape of your ear. I think they usually do that. The shape is changing from just the old, just a regular hook in earbuds to these ones that are shaped like your ear canal. I think reason being they're trying to get you as comfortable as possible when you put these on. It does look a bit bulky, if you ask me. It feels a bit bulky, but I suppose it'll do the work. If it's comfortable in your ear, that is good. Also, something else to aid comfort. Make sure you always have on the right size ear tip for your ears. If it's too small, the earbud will probably slip out of your ears. If it's too big, it'll probably be uncomfortable. So make sure you're using the right size ear tip. Alright, right here we'll have a microphone and another here. Right here on this gray area is the surface control. And this is the right earbud. And these are the charge plates for these for this earbud. And when you put them in the case, make sure that they're in the right position to get a good charge. Make sure this touches that, and you will know if it does by the indicator light. Okay, this is the right earbud. All right, let's do a fit test. Let's see how this fits. I'm gonna put this on right now, and let's see how it fits in my ear. Okay. All right. Wow, this is as you can see, let me turn to the side so you can see very well. It has a very good fit. It is very comfortable. I can hardly feel there's no pain, no pressure, nothing. It is very comfortable. Wow, and I can shake my head and it's not gonna fall off. I think the trick here is to make sure you're wearing the right ear tip for your size in your ear, because that's what's really holding the earbud inside your ear. Now although it feels a bit bulky because I feel most of the weight on the outside, but it's still very comfortable. Really comfortable. And it's got two mics, so there's a mic facing here and there's a mic up there, and that would really help with your calls and the voice clarity. So yeah, I like this. I like the design. I like that they chose this design. This is really good. I like this. I really do. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Okay, let's go pair these and keep it moving. Okay, that was a very good fit. Very good fit. It was very comfortable. It is nice. Okay, we've done a fit test. Now let's try pairing these. I'll pair these to my phone, and please pay attention, people, because I get a lot of this question every time when it comes to pairing the device. Please just watch the process by which I pair them. It's easy. It's very easy. You can't go wrong if you do it this way. Firstly, put them back in the case. Put them back in the case. Make sure they're charging. Right? Now it's easy. Now take it back out of the case. The moment you do that, first of all, the earbuds, see, they just pair to each other right there. They blink twice first, 2 white light blinks, and they connect to each other. Now this is the principal earbud because it's the only one blinking white and red. This is the one that is the primary earbud, and I'm guessing that's the left one. Yes. And now I'm trying to pair these now to my phone. So every time you take them out of the case, give them a few seconds. Just give them some time for them to connect to each other. After that connection has happened, then you try to pair them with your device. Here we go. Search for it. Right there. There we go. Pairing. Pair. Boom. Just like that, it's all paired up. It's very easy. It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take a long time to do this. It's effortless, really. Just take it out of the case. Give them some time to connect to each other, and then you can go ahead and pair them. That's where you have both earbuds connected under that profile. If you don't give them the time to pair, you would not have paired them correctly. So when you're trying to use them individually, one would work and the other would not, because the other one is not on the profile. So please take note and try to remember that. Okay? Alright, now let us test these. Yeah, let's just play something and test these. Oh, that's my favorite song. Let's go. There you are. Let's test these and see how they sound. After using this for a while, after listening to the music for a while, I can tell you this, okay? Firstly, I'm not exactly surprised by the sound of this, but I'm still very impressed. I am very, very impressed. Soundpeats, stay on the track. You're onto something here. It has a very balanced sound, and you can also still hear the differences in the sound, in the highs and in the lows. You can really distinct. You can hear the distinct sound. Okay. Also, I think it also leans a little bit towards the bass, towards a heavy bass sound. I think it leans towards it just a little bit, but not all over the place. It's very, very impressive. This is a very, very, very impressive sound you get from this. This is really, really good. Something I would describe as breezy balanced. What I mean is it is balanced all together, but at the same time you can still make distinct differences in the range. It is amazing. This is really good. This is really good. Stay on track, Soundpeats. You're onto something. This is really, really good. I recommend this any day. This is really good. Very impressive. Very impressive. Wow, that was really cool. That was really, really cool. Soundpeats did not disappoint. I can tell you that it did not disappoint. I'm beginning to think maybe I should change this now. I should change my daily driver to this one. I was really impressed by that. This is cool. This is really cool. Anyways, let's test some controls. On the right earbud, the tap once and we increase the volume. One tap, increase the volume. And on the left, one tap decreases the volume. One tap on the left and decreases the volume. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this, because a lot of true wireless earbuds do not have the ability to do this, and it's very important for it to have this, because if you're using this and you're driving, you can't go to the paired device to try to reduce the volume. There should always be a volume control. If anything else is not on it, the volume control should be on it. Okay. Wow. Okay, cool. Let us if we tap twice, pause and play on the right, and twice on the left, pauses and plays too. Good. To skip to the next song, hold for 2 seconds. Next song. Hold for 2 seconds. Next song. And on the left, hold for 2 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Previous song. Hold for 2 seconds. Previous song. There are other controls for these earbuds, like the gaming mode. You can try that in your own time. There are other controls you can test in your own time if you decide to go with this Soundpeats. But I promise you, these are great. These are worth the money. Really worth it. Connectivity on this one is amazing. At 10 meters, it is very stable, very steady. Anything more than that, you start experiencing drop-offs. But if you don't go past 10 meters from your device, I promise you a very steady, strong connection. Phone calls. I believe this earbud has one of the best mics on a true wireless earbud. I promise you, your calls are very clear, no background noise, none of that. It is amazing. I give it a very strong 9 out of 10. A very strong 9. Now, comfort of these earbuds depends on the ear tips you are using, so always make sure you're using the right ear tip for your ear. It's already been designed in the shape of the human ear already, so even though I think it's bulky, I think that is the right design for this. But for it to stay in your ear without falling off, you have to be using the right ear tip for you, so it sits in comfortably in your ear. Now let's talk about the battery. For me, I think this is a very, very high selling point for this earbud. 10 whole hours per charge, and you get 30 more hours from the charging case. This is amazing. Usually you get 6 hours from these earbuds, but this one you get 10 whole hours. And if you're the kind of person who uses one earbud at a time like me, and if you're using it at a medium level or the volume level, if you're using, let me say that again, and if your volume level is at the medium range, I promise you'll probably use this for a very long time. You can use it for longer than 10 hours. It is amazing. I think this is the point of sale for this earbud. I mean, you have to consider that. Whether you like the earbud or not, you really have to consider the battery power. It is amazing. Really, really cool. I mean, wow. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give it a thumbs up anyways. You are really not hurting anybody. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel. I'm looking forward to hearing what you think about these videos. If you're using this device right now, please put it in the comment section and let me know what your experience is with it. If you're not using it right now, but tell me what you think anyways. I'm really curious to know what you think. Okay, remember to share the videos. Until next time.